Hey again, we're ready to work on reading a map now. So there are lots of types of maps. This is actually a state map. If you look at it, it's a piece of the United States and it's divided up into the states. Now I know it does not have the states' names listed on it. I wish it did. So you may, if you aren't sure of what the states are, you may want to pull up a United States map and see if you can label them. I will give you the first one. This one is Georgia. That's the state of Georgia where we live. So think about the states that are around Georgia to help you. So we are getting ready to work on this worksheet. I know that I haven't been making you write incomplete sentences on a few of the other pages because there just wasn't enough room. But on this one, there's only 4 questions and we have plenty of room. So now we're gonna write incomplete sentences. I want you to use restate and answer, R and A from race when you can, okay? So if I look at this map, like we talked about, it's a piece of the United States. I'm looking at the areas where these 2 species of tree frogs can be found. So Cope's gray tree frog, and this is the scientific name for it, Hyla chrysoscelis, and the gray tree frog, and this is the scientific name, Hyla versicolor. All right, so the shaded areas, the gray areas, are where we can find these 2 types of frogs. So on the first one, it says name 3 states where you may see a tree frog. So you're going to restate that question and then answer it. Give me 3 states where you could find that tree frog, okay? And like I said, you can use a map to learn the names of other states if you need to. All right, number 2, in which part of the United States are most tree frogs located? So on this one, I know it didn't give us a lot of the parts of a map. So we're gonna draw a compass. Remember, it gives us the 4 cardinal directions, the 4 main directions. So we start at the top, north, south, east, west. And then we could do intermediate directions too, where I draw the lines in between. And I have northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So now this should help you describe where most of the tree frogs are found in the United States. All right, so pick which direction you think most of them are found. All right, number 3, name a state that is only partially shaded. So let's talk about this word right here, partially. I don't know that we've talked about that one this year. Now's a good time to. I bet you might have talked about it in math. Partially, and you can even see the word part in there. If something is partially shaded, that means it's only partly shaded. A piece of it is shaded, not the whole thing. So you're going to look and find a state where only part of that state is shaded, not the whole thing. Okay? And then number 4, what questions can you ask about the map? So you are going to come up with your own question, or more than one questions if you'd like, about this map. So write these answers down and then look at the reading a map check video to check over it.